Finish. Welcome, Mexico, señoritas.
You act like you need a mind, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blind. Should've never give you my heart unconsigned.
Look, I got a cute little case. My Uber is outside and we are about to walk out and go. This is everything, and my shirt says turn up for Big Lexi because it's Lexi's birthday and we're about to turn up in Cabo. And just to put that out there now, I have not been to sleep. It's like 5:40 in the morning. I'm tired, but it's okay. I don't think you can see it for real, but we're walking all the way to my B gate because I decided to get off early. Like, girl, you know where you're going. But let's keep going. We're in the airport. It's 6:54. I'm really nervous recording myself right now, but I mean, I gotta do it right. I board at 7:26. I'm kind of hungry, but I'm like not hungry, so I decided I'm just not gonna eat because I'm gonna sleep the whole flight. I might get like a snack and then just have it with me, but I don't feel like a meal, so I fly from here to Phoenix and then Phoenix to Cabo. I just ran for my fucking life. I'm out of breath. We're in Cabo. We're waiting for my bag. Yeah. Because everything wants to be difficult. But we're here and we're waiting on the other girls to get here. It's the birthday girl! I don't know. Read the shirt.
Oh, I told Shelby that the bag was on.
We're waiting for Alexis to get her bag, but I think they just started coming out. I'm starving. I'm starving. Like hungry, we've surpassed hungry at this point. I'm starving. I feel like I haven't eaten in 5 days. I want like a big, fat, chunky burger. This lady's staring at me. This is why I don't be doing this in public, though. I be scared.
Alexis King. Welcome home, señorita Alexis.
Where are we? We're in Cabo. And the vibes are vibing.
The vibe?
The vibes are vibing. The skin is skinny. So we're in sun because we live in cold places.
For Lexi.
Go Big Lexi.
¿Los unos reposaron?
Yeah. Hey. Use the rest of this.
Yeah.
Hola!
Hola.
Let's start the party!
Yay. Cheers. Cheers.
Finish. Welcome, Mexico, señoritas.
We just got to the hotel.
It's birthday. How much?
25.
She's old, y'all. 25 is crazy.
I know, yeah.
It's great. But I'm still 24, right? Oh, okay. Thank you. It's so pretty. I'm still hungry. Stomach is still touching my back. My spine at this point going through my back. But they had to take our passports when we first got here. And I think we're about to check in. And then we can get some food. But I really want to kind of like lay out by the pool, take some pics, make some content for y'all. I'm ready to have a great week. And I can't wait to take y'all with me.
I hate to say it. Oh, yeah.
We gon' drink up at the party. I don't know what we're doing. Like, we're just standing here. Right.
You don't have to have a reason.
I'm kind of sleepy because I did not sleep last night. But I'm excited to see what the room looks like. The lighting is so pretty. Oh. I just love Cabo so far.
Love it.
Ahí está, la 1338. Right here to the right. Mira, this is in,
Oh, okay.
right? In the morning, before we go there, that's the second entrance. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And that's the same.
I have to only
Wake
do,
up and
like,
get agitated. It's
Agitated with the
crazy.
massage?
Like a 60-minute massage is only enough. Like that's as much as relaxation as I can probably get. It's like 60 minutes.
It's so pretty. How do y'all feel?
Interesting.
I love it.
Feel happy.
Sexy, very well kept. You know, love luxury.
Yeah.
Well kept. Girl.
Almost went down. I think we're walking to our room.
Don't get nervous. Please, welcome home.
Oh, that's just cute. Oh, a full-size mirror. Period.
Ooh. It's so cute.
Oh, really? Yeah.
How cute.
This is so cute.
We take pictures on that tree, up against that tree.
Ooh.
We love the content.
Cabo, 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 Wabo, Cabo, Wabo, Cabo.
Okay. Now, which one wants to go to the master and which one wants to go to the guest room?
Lexi.
We're finally going to go eat. My stomach was about to go through my back. So we're at this place called Cantina Sports Bar. It's cute.
I
Oh.
think we were all 8.5 out of 10.
10 out of 10 as usual. Good morning.
Rise and shine.
So it is day 2. And yesterday I definitely left y'all hanging because I went to sleep at 7 o'clock.
You slept for an entire day.
The whole day. Because y'all know I didn't go to sleep the night before, so I had to catch up on my sleep. So when I say I'm rejuvenated to the max, I feel like we could do anything today. We could conquer the world. So we are going, we have an excursion. We're riding camels, and is it
Tequila tasting.
tequila tasting? And is it, what is this piece of hair? And is it ATVs or UTVs? We're riding something other than a camel. So I'm gonna take y'all with me, but let's go get ready. So since it's like a active-ish type of excursion, I'm gonna wear this jumpsuit, or it's like a romper, whatever you want to call it. It's gray, and then I have these Yeezys that I'm gonna wear with it. So yeah, BRB. Okay, we have our jumpsuit on, and we're gonna do everything else. So since I already like did my hair, I'm just gonna refresh it basically. Day 2 curls. I slept in them. They still look so good. Obviously my edges look insane, but I'm just gonna put some mousse in my hair to refresh it, and I already put a little bit of water, so I'm not gonna do too much. But my hair looks so good. I'm obsessed with how my hair is looking. I'm gonna spray some of this in it. It smells so good. And then we're gonna do my edges. These shoes.
It's moving.
Yeah, I definitely will.
We just finished breakfast, and oh look, we can play chess.
We're back.
I'm gonna come right in a second.
Wow. I'm getting.
He wants us to buy a bracelet, so I'm gonna buy one in just a second.
Can I get this one?
Yes.
Take apple pie?
Yep. Nope.
Are you on here every day?
Yes, on this one.
Just today.
They're only here today. It's so pretty. We just went and got some bracelets. It's so cute. I feel like, oh, last time when I went to Tulum, I got these. So this is just like my traveling bracelet arm, I guess. But we're walking to the front to go and get picked up for our excursion. So I'm excited to take y'all with us because it's gonna be so fun. And yeah.
No, good morning.
We're in here on the way
To excursion number 1.
Yes.
Uno. we went camel riding and we rode UTVs, and it was so pretty. I'm gonna insert some clips because they say we couldn't bring our phone, but you know your girl had to sneak a phone. So I got some videos. Tequila tasting. You know your girl loves to drink, so.
What about for you?
Mango?
When you're drinking tequila solo, blue much fire like.
It's not, yeah. 10 out of 10. Okay.
That one comes in the regular size, or this cube right here. This cube comes with blanco, reposado, and añejo.
Ooh.
It's really not bad. This is vanilla. It's so dark. Oh, shit.
It's sweet, but it tastes like
Sweet?
That is a 10 out of 10.
That was the baby.
That is a 10 out of 10.
That was a different agaves. They all taste differently. Okay?
Okay.
Always grab from the stem. I apply heat.
Okay.
Smell the aromas first. Smell caramelized with a little bit of maple or sweet.
Yeah, I actually smell that.
Can you smell a little bit of cinnamon?
Oh my god, I smell it from here. You smell it? Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, you take.
That's really sweet. There's like no burn. Like the creamy.
That was so good.
This one tastes.
We made it back. How do you feel?
Hungry. Oh.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Tired. You want corn tortillas? Yes, please. Let's get it together.
I'm starving.
The Eagles?
I'm so hungry. I finally got tacos. I love being in Mexico and getting tacos. It just feels authentic. Got it?
Where?
You can see it? That's a real whale.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a whale!
That is so pretty.
Wow. I thought it's one.
Oh my god. I love this. We can really tweak this.
Hola. So we're back in the room from our excursion and eating. I came in and I literally went straight to the shower And I'm wearing my cute little robe that they provided. I love that for us. But we're gonna go out tonight. I haven't washed my face. So y'all see the interruption I had. Thank you. So I haven't washed my face yet. I'm gonna wash it in a little bit. I'm low-key being lazy. I'm gonna wash my face and then put my topicals under eye things on and do my hair because I have like a crease in my head. But I don't know what I want to wear tonight. I have a few different outfit options. But I'm excited to get cute, put like a full face of makeup on, take some cute pictures. Like, I literally can't wait. So yeah, right now I'm just editing some videos for y'all. And then I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit longer, probably until like 6:30. Let's see what time it is. It's 6:20 right now. Can you see that? Yeah, it's 6:20 right now. So not that much longer. And then I'm gonna get up and start getting ready. I think they were thinking to be ready by like 8 o'clock. So I might not get up at 6:30, but close enough. So I'll be back. It's late. It's later than it's supposed to be. What time is it? It's 11:18 and we all just finished getting ready. This is the look. This is the lip. I use that new Maybelline lip gloss and it's a plumper for real. But everything is tea. Everybody, all my girls look cute and we're about to go out. And yeah, I might take y'all with me, I might not. We just gotta see the vibes, but yeah.
I see more than 10 people here today and only 2 of you are making me some noise. Everybody help me out with the Everybody say it's funny.
It's
Everybody
nasty.
say uno, dos, tres, no. Everybody go, everybody go,
Go hit the road.
I definitely went MIA yesterday. I don't know, I wasn't really in the mood to record too much, but we did go to Mango Deck. We ate there and then we were like on the beach, so me and Lannis went jet skiing. But right now we're about to go to dinner. It's Alexis's birthday today, so we're celebrating her. I mean, we're celebrating her all trip, but today specifically. We're gonna go to dinner tonight off the resort, which is nice. And then I hope we dabble a little bit outside because we gotta celebrate her, you know? And then we all leave tomorrow, so our last day in Cabo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Oh my goodness. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Big 25, not the little one.
Okay, period.
Hungry.
Hola. So went to the spa today and I just got back and I changed into my swimsuit. I'm walking down to the beach. The girl said they was at the beach because I had the latest spa time, so I'm a little behind. but they said they're at the beach, so I'm gonna go down and meet them. Hola. We're about to go to dinner to celebrate her birthday, which, like I said, is today. So I'm probably gonna leave my camera at home, but I'm definitely gonna give y'all some videos. And then I think we're gonna go outside. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what I have on. Y'all look at the birthday girl. She's sparkly.
It's giving very much shine shine.
Okay, period. Last night was fun. We celebrated the Aquarius Queen. And right now we're actually at the airport. It's 10 a.m. and our flights leave in like 2 hours. So we're at STK, which is kind of crazy, for breakfast. Say hey! Yeah, but we're here eating breakfast. I'm editing for y'all.
She's on the editing game.
Okay, but yeah, I will, you know, show y'all our food and more. We have made it on the plane and it's time to go home. So we are signing off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share immediately. Do all the things, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.